kung nare-recall ninyo, sino naglagay ng pera sa mga bag? Sabi po ninyo na hindi ninyo maalala. Tama ba yun?
Ang pagkakaalala
Kindly
ko po,
wind up.
ang pagkakaalala ko, sorry po. Ang pagkakaalala
Sumasagot
ko po, ang sinagot ko po yon na si
Yes,
Miss
yes.
Gina ang naglagay at si Mr. Ortonio. Ang hindi ko po ma-recall kung sino po yung naglabas na ng cash.
Uy, hindi
ng
ko
bags.
tinatanong yon. Hindi yon ang tinutukoy ko. Ang tinutukoy ko, yung paiba-ibang sagot. Kasi nung una sabi nyo, hindi niyo maalala kung sino naglagay ng pera sa bag. Pagkatapos nung binanggit sa inyo, do you recall Miss Acosta, do you recall Mr. Ortonio? Naalala ninyo kung sino naglagay na yung dalawa? Bakit ganon? Yun lang po.
Ang
Kindly wind up,
pagkakaalam,
ma'am.
ang
Considering that Miss Acosta is allegedly the payee, bakit hindi nyo yun naalala kaagad? Doon ako nagtataka.
Si Gina Acosta, kilala ninyong bilang Special Disbursing Officer, tama?
As payee po ng cheque.
Hindi bilang Special Disbursing Officer.
Hindi po.
Kung siya ang payee, hindi, at sinabi nyo, iba ang tumatawag sa inyo na 2 days in advance.
Iba po.
Di ba? Sino yung sinabi nyo yung tumatawag?
Si Miss Queen ng Masangkay po.
Miss Masangkay.
Opo.
Bakit iba? Would you know? Bakit iba yung payee, iba yung tumatawag?
Wala po kang idea kasi it's under the agency po kung sino pong gusto nilang gawing payee po.
Pero bakit si Masangkay ay kilala mo? Nagpakilala siya? Did you meet each other?
Na-meet ko po siya kasi po nung bago po sila mag-open ng account po sa amin, so nag-visit po sila sa branch.
Okay, so you knew her personally and therefore siya ang tumatawag. Pero ang payee ay si
Miss
Gina Acosta. In other accounts, would you know or would you have experience na ganun din? Iba yung payee, iba yung tumatawag? I suppose yes, no?
Wala po akong idea.
Okay, okay. Doon sa nabanggit niyong first time ang ganyang kalaking halaga, kaya sabi niyo unusual. Meron pa bang ibang ahensya? Tama bang sabihin, walang ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan ang naglalabas ng ganyang kalaking pera sa inyong accounts, sa inyong branch? Dahil kayo ay depositary ng government bank, hindi ba?
Wala na po akong ma-recall kasi nga po kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, lahat po ay na-convert na po sila sa mga online transactions.
And most government agencies would use checks
checks or online transactions po.
or online transactions. Okay, so again. And sinabi nyo, ang average na cash transactions sa inyong withdrawals, apart from yung 125 million na cash, yung average is about 500,000. Tama? Yung average amount ng cash.
Pwede po or lower than that. Kung cash
Yes,
po.
yes, yes. So, malaki yung agwat, no?
Opo.
And that's why you say it's unusual.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have no other questions, Mr. President, Presiding Officer. Just to manifest that earlier, the witness said that she's bound by the confidentiality rule under the AMLA law. But to that, but I understand that we will be tackling this matter in another article. We will not concede that you cannot disclose this information, this being the impeachment court. But it being, dahil ito'y itatakal sa ibang articles of incorporation, we will not pursue it at this time. I mean, the articles of impeachment, rather. Is it Article 2? Then we will not insist and we will not push the issue at this time. For the record, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Noted, but Chair would also like to place on the record that while indeed the court issued a subpoena vis-a-vis the AMLC, the provision of the law on the confidentiality with respect to bank officers are indeed provided for in the AMLC. That bank officers are those authorized to report both suspicious transactions and those exceeding 500,000 are not disclose whether or not they report. And thank you, Ms. Constantino, for being very cooperative and at the same time prudent with respect to your answers regarding the AMLC provision. Dahil kayo po yung madedemanda kung sakasakaling hindi naman po kami. If there are no other, Senator Judge Aimee, before we go on a second round. Senator Judge Aimee, thereafter Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo for a second round, Senator Judge Ontiveros for a second round, and Senator Judge Rafi for a second round. Senator Aimee, you may proceed when you're ready, and you have 2 minutes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Presiding Judge. And this is a very simple question by way of information to the prosecution. During the Blue Ribbon Committee, a certain Jean Abaya was called as a resource person. As I recall, she was then the operations head of Land Bank Show and assumed the position of department manager thereafter. I understand, of course, that the prosecution has the right to choose your witnesses. I am simply curious, bakit si Ms. Abaya na magtestigo ngayon, samantalang siya yung may personal knowledge ng encashment ng mga cheque na pinag-uusapan?
Your Honor,
The Honorable Chua may respond.
thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, at that time, when this check was encashed, si Ma'am po, ang ating pong testigo, siya po ang branch manager. Hindi po si yung nabanggit po ninyo.
Yes, alam ko na siya yung branch manager, pero yung operations head at that time, si Jean Abaya. As a matter of fact, she was even able to say that the entire amount of the checks was withdrawn each encashment. So, ang lumalabas doon sa House hearing, kung naaalala kong maigi, si Miss Abaya ang direktang nakipag-deal kay Miss Acosta, di ba?
Your Honor, kung maririnig po natin yung kanyang salaysay, siya po kasi yung nakikipag-coordinate sa OBP.
Siya
In fact,
nakikipag-coordinate or sino ang direktang nakikipag-usap kay Miss Abaya? Kung ganon. Kay Miss Acosta, sorry. Di ba si Jean Abaya?
Pwede po
Yun ang
akong sumagot.
pagkaintindi ko doon sa House hearing eh.
Pwede po akong sumagot.
Yes, please.
Si Jean Abaya po, siya po yung next in rank nung ako po ay branch
Siya
manager.
yung?
Next
Sorry.
in my rank.
Oo, yeah.
Opo.
Pero siya ba yung direktang nakipag-deal kay Miss Acosta ng DepEd?
Ako po ang direktang sa OVP po.
Nakakapagtaka lang kung bakit nung House hearing, si Miss Abaya ang siyang nagsabi ng direktahan na yung entire amount ng cheque was withdrawn each encashment. Hindi po kayo. Ba't nagkaganon?
Your Honor, bali po si Gina Baya po ang naging incumbent manager. Siya po yung pumalit sa akin as branch manager. So at that time, tinanong po nga siya. So since operations manager po siya, aware din po siya sa transaction. Pero natanong din po siya kung sino direktang kumakausap sa cash division
Okay.
staff. So kaya po ako napatawad.
Kayo yung direktang nakipag-usap.
Opo.
Kahit siya ang nag-attest na talagang buong amount ang withdraw. Ganun ba
Aware
yun?
naman po siya sa mga transactions din po sa branch.
Okay, maliban doon, Ms. Constantino, nung House Blue Ribbon, narinig ko, nung tinanong ni Congressman Luistro, sino ang nag-withdraw ng pera at linagay sa mga bag, nung una, sabi niyo, you didn't recall. Matapos noon, medyo may leading question si Congresswoman noon eh. Kasi ang sabi, do you recall Miss Acosta? Do you recall Mr. Ortonio? Bigla ninyong naalala si Miss Acosta at si Mr. Ortonio. Tama ba yun? Ba't nagkaganon? Nung una, hindi ninyo maalala. Pagkatapos noon, naalala na ninyo.
Pwede ko
Ano
po
ba
bang-
talaga ang naaalala ninyo? Para klaro tayo.
Pwede po ba nating balikan po kung yung transcript po talaga? Kasi baka po, mamaya, baka lang po, I'm sorry, may iba pong issue before. Tapos po natanong ako kung bakit ko po kilala yung dalawa. So baka po may iba
Kasi
pa
nung
pong
una,
story up behind.
tinatanong kung nare-recall ninyo, sino naglagay ng pera sa mga bag? Sabi po ninyo na hindi ninyo maalala. Tama ba yun?
Ang pagkakaalala
Kindly
ko po,
wind up.
ang pagkakaalala ko, sorry po. Ang pagkakaalala
Sumasagot
ko
po.
po, Ang sinagot ko po yon na si
Yes,
Miss
yes.
Gina ang naglagay si Mr. Ortonio. Ang hindi ko po ma-recall kung sino po yung naglabas na ng cash.
Uy, hindi
ng
ko
bags.
tinatanong yon. Hindi yon ang tinutukoy ko. Ang tinutukoy ko, yung paiba-ibang sagot. Kasi nung una sabi nyo, hindi ninyo maalala kung sino naglagay ng pera sa bag. Pagkatapos nung binanggit sa inyo, do you recall Miss Acosta, do you recall Mr. Ortonio? Naalala ninyo kung sino naglagay na yung dalawa? Bakit ganon? Yun lang po.
Ang
Kindly wind up,
pagkakaalam,
ma'am.
ang
Ah,
pagkakaal-
considering that Miss Acosta is allegedly the payee, bakit hindi nyo yun naalala kaagad? Doon ako nagtataka.
Wala po akong matandaan na sinabi ko na hindi ko ma-recall po yung naglagay ng pera sa bags. Ang alam ko po, nare-recall ko kung sino po ang naglabas ng bags.
Okay,
Outside the bag.
balikan na lang po natin yung transcript
Sige
doon sa
po.
lower house
Kung pwede
at
po.
baka maipaliwanag ninyo sa amin na maigi. Maraming salamat.
Sige
The
po,
lady may
ma'am.
avail for round 2 with the permission of Senators Erwin Tulfo, Ontiveros, and Rafi Tulfo. Chair would like to acknowledge Senator Lacson first since it is his first round to ask questions. Thereafter, we will be recognizing in this order Senators Erwin Tulfo, Senator Ontiveros, and Senator Rafi Tulfo for their Senator Lacson may proceed. You have
Thank
2
you,
minutes, sir.
Mr. Presiding Officer. Hindi pa ako magtatanong. I will only make a manifestation. I'm only wondering why neither the prosecution nor the defense is presenting a competent witness in the handling of intelligence and confidential fund. Kasi po, in my previous life, sa intelligence, sa law enforcement, ang natatandaan ko, kasi limited yung purpose ng intelligence at saka confidential fund. Nagtataka lang ako, nakita ko yung regularity ng withdrawals ng cash parang every quarter except for December, December 20. So sana kung para ma-educate kami at saka magkaroon kami ng informed decision later on, sana meron tayong competent witness sa pag-handle ng intelligence fund or confidential fund. Para nang sa gano'n naman, ma-appreciate namin at matanong din namin sarili namin, regular ba yung every quarter kasi January, April, tapos July, di ba? Parang regular eh. Ang alam ko, pagka may pangangailangan dahil merong intelligence gathering operation, may confidential activities, saka palang mangangailangan ng pera. So yun lang, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Your Honor.
The defense may also
Maybe-
respond or comment with the prosecution. Thank you.
We will recognize both sides, but recognize first to respond to the inquiry of the manifestation rather of Senator Judge Lacson. The Honorable Chua. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we will be presenting our witness pero hindi po siya yung testigo po pagdating po dyan. In time po, we will be presenting witness or witnesses that will explain yung manner po ng confidential.
Kasi I asked my staff, wala po sa listahan ng testigo na meron tayong competent witness. So saan ang galing yung sinasabi niyo may present
yung
kayo?
COA po. They will be the
COA
one
is
to-
not a competent witness sa pag-handle ng intelligence and confidential funds. Somebody,
Your Honor, meron po
you know,
kasi
maybe
kami reservation.
a retired intelligence officer, somebody like that na maalam mag-handle. Nagtataka lang ako bakit masyadong regular tapos yung una pa, natapat pa na magpapasko.
Yes, Your Honor, may present po kami pero kung makikita po ninyo dun sa aming pre-trial brief, meron po dong reservation.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Confidential pa daw po. The Honorable Attorney Poe, rather, is recognized for your comment to the manifestation of Senator Lacson.
Thank you,
You may
Mr.
proceed, sir.
Presiding Officer. Same comment actually with the prosecution, Your Honors. Meron din po kasi tayong mga reservations. So we will present when we feel necessary, Your Honors.
Sa ngayon nga, confidential pa din yung witness niya. Senator Erwin Tulfo is recognized for his availment of round 2. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Miss Witness, ito pong transaksyon na 125, 4 times po yata ito. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Alright. Hindi po ninyo na-report ito sa AMLAC?
Gaya po ng sabi ko po, na-invoke ko po yung AMLA rule, prohibiting us to disclose po any information regarding
No, I'm
that.
not saying na you have to disclose to us, pero I'm saying kailangan po bang i-report ito? Kasi ma'am, ayon po sa AMLAC law natin, covered po ang lahat po ng government transactions ng government agencies. Tama po ba? Do you
Opo.
agree to that? All right.
Yes po.
At saka, another thing, ito mo ba ang transaksyon na ito ay nasa ilalim ng list of due and demandable accounts, payable, LDDAP? At saka, meron pa bang itong advice to debit account, ADA?
Meron po silang advice na nai-issue po yan.
Okay, pero nasa ilalim po ba ito ng LDDAP, yung list of due and demandable accounts?
I
Payable?
think agency na po ang pwedeng sumagot po regarding this.
Okay, all right. That's all, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. Senator Judge Risa Ontiveros for her second round. You may proceed, ma'am. When you're ready, you have 2 minutes.
Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Madam Witness, yung unusual pa rin, bago ibang tanong. Kanina sa prosecution, involved limit. Magkano po yung cash involved limit
Sa branch po
sa
namin.
branch ninyo?
Pwede ko bang hindi sagutin po yan for security?
All right. Then hindi ko itatanong yung follow-up question doon. Ito na lang. Sabi po ninyo, wala ang branch ninyo ng ganyang amount. Kung pwede nyo sabihin, magkano po ang halaga na meron ang branch nyo?
Yung malaki po kasi amount. So, in
Yes.
any given day po kasi, talagang wala po kaming branch. So, pwede ko po in average, kung ano lang po yung sa tingin namin na kasya po yung during the operational transactions po ng branch. for the
Magkano
day.
po yung average na yon sa branch nyo? Transactions for the day?
For us, mga ano po, maybe, mga 20M po.
20M. So ito pong 125 million ay times 6 po dun sa average na transaction sa branch nyo in a given day.
Opo.
Okay. And then, sabi nyo rin po kanina sa prosecution, kailangang tawagan ang cash center ninyo para i-transact yung amount. Magkano po yung floor ulit na halaga para kailangan yung tawagan ang cash center ninyo?
Any cash requirements naman po ay tinatawag namin sa cash center po namin for assistance.
Okay. Would you say anything above 20 million, kailangan kayong tumawag sa cash center?
Kahit po less than, basta po requirement po namin sa branch for that day, sa daily operations po namin.
And yung 125 million na yon ay lampas sa kaya ng branch nyo in that day?
Opo.
Okay. Kaya unusual ang sinabi nyo kanina
Opo.
sa prosecution.
Opo.
Okay po. In total, kalahating bilyong piso in cash ang winidraw ng Office of the Vice President. Sa experience, karaniwan rin po bang mag-withdraw ang isang ahensya ng ganyang halaga, kalahating bilyong piso, in cash, sa loob lamang ng 8 buwan?
Hindi ko po yun masasagot kasi yung agency po maybe ang dapat pong sumagot about it.
Oh, pero para sa branch po ninyo, naranasan nyo na po ba in the higit 3 dekadang nagtrabaho kayo sa Land Bank na merong alinmang ahensyang nag-withdraw ng ganyang halaga, kalahating bilyong piso in cash sa loob lamang ng less than 3/4 of a year?
Wala po akong ma-recall kasi mostly nga po ang sabi ko ay puro through online or ang transactions na po nila or cheque.
Okay. At bilang branch manager, sinigurado nyo po ba na otorisado talaga ni Vice President yung pag-withdraw ng kalahating bilyong piso?
Meron naman po kasi silang initial advice. So, binase naman po natin yung check Gina Costa na ito po ay may advice na po and funded.
Alright. So batay dun sa issue advice ni Ms. Jean Acosta, yun na yung pagtitiyak nyo na otorisado ni VP yung pag-withdraw nitong kalahating bilyong piso in
Opo.
cash.
Opo.
Salamat po. Salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer. Last two questions if there's a final round. Salamat po.
Thank you, Senator Judge Risa. Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo for his availment of round 2. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Madam Witness, how are government agency accounts being opened sa Land Bank? Ano yung proseso po?
Pakiulit po, sir.
Ano po yung proseso para yung isang government agency ay makapag-open ng account sa Land Bank?
Meron pong request na galing po sa kanila. At the same time po, meron din pong approval from the Bureau of Treasury na mag-open po sila ng account sa amin. So once approved na po ito, ay ma-open na po yung account.
Very good. Now, OVP, sino po yung nag-open ng account? Sino po yung pumunta sa bangko ninyo para i-open yung account ng OVP?
Ang alam ko po, nag-inquire po yung head po ng
Wag
agency.
pong alam ko. Dapat sino po talaga? Sigurado dapat kayo.
Yung head po ng cash division.
Nila.
Opo.
Okay. Ano po yung mga presentang dokumento para magpapatunay na sila po authorized talaga na mag-open ng account on behalf of the OVP?
Gaya po na sabi ko nga po kanina, yung pong request nila na mag-open account, at the same time, yung approval po ng Bureau of Treasury na sila po ay allowed po mag-open ng account sa amin.
I don't know kung nasa niyo po yung question kanina. Sino po yung person na pumunta doon para magpresenta na ako'y from OBP at nagpakita ng dokumento at ako yung authorized person to represent the OBP for this account?
Yung head po ng cash division po ng OVP.
And what is her name again? Anong pangalan niya po?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall yung head po. Yung isa po kasi staff niya po yun,
Okay.
si Miss Queenie.
So pagdating niya po doon sa bangko, meron po siyang sigurado akong binabanggit ng mga taong point person na para pumunta sa bangko para mag-withdraw at sino yung mga signatories, etc. Tama?
Pakiulit po ang tanong, Your Honor.
Kasi po yung sa cash division, hindi mo na maalala ang pangalan ng tao ulit?
Yung head ng cash division, hindi ko na po ma-recall.
Okay, sige. Yung head ng cash division, pumunta doon ng open account. So, doon nagkakaroon na agad ng arrangement para sabihin sa inyo na ang pwede lang mag-withdraw ay si ganito at kasama si ganito.
Wala pong ganong arrangement.
Wala.
Wala pong ganon.
O dapat mayroong arrangement para malaman ninyo kung sino yung point person ng OBP para tumawag sa inyo at sino kayo nagde-designate ng point person to coordinate from the OBP to the Land Bank.
Yung po, sorry po, ang pagkaintindi ko po kung sino po yung inisyuhan nila ng cheque, ganun po ba?
No, sino yung taong nagsasabi sa Land Bank na ito lamang ay na tumawag the withdrawal at ito lamang ang pwedeng pumirma sa cheque, etc. There has to be one person.
As to authorized signatories po, aware naman po yung agency kung sino po yung mga authorized pumirma. Ngayon po, kung sino po yung...
No, sorry. You're listening but you're not hearing me. Sino po yung tao na nagsabi sa Land Bank na, hey, Land Bank, ito lamang mga tao ang pwedeng kumontak sa inyo, ang pwedeng mag-withdraw, period. Sino yun?
ang pagkakalam ko po, yun pong sina Asik or Tonyo po.
Sina
Tsaka po
Asik.
sila po kasi yung officers po ng
So did they
OVP.
go personally sa Land Bank or through telephone lamang?
Sa pagkakaalala ko po, meron po silang written communication po
So how
sa
did you
amin.
know na sila talaga yun nasa written communication?
Nag-represent po sila ng mga IDs nila. Yung doon po sa pagkakaalala ko
So
po.
they went to Land Bank personally? And then they presented documents to prove that they are that person?
Opo.
And
Kasi,
then,
sorry po, pwede pong mag-butt in.
No.
Bali po doon, sa pagkakaalala ko po, sa binibigyan ng dokumento, meron na rin pong photocopy ng mga IDs po nila.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Witness.
Thank you, Senator Judge Tulfo. Senator Judge Pangilinan is recognized for his round 2 availment. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you. Yung cheque na winidraw o pinisenta sa inyo December 20, 2022, tama? Ang date?
Opo, December 20, 2022.
kinuha yung pera on the same day, December 20.
Opo.
So, kung sabi nyo kanina, unusual yung malaking halaga. Unusual din, o usual ba yun? Yung ganung halaga, same day din i-withdraw? Ganon?
Bali nga po,
Mabilis ba yun?
may prior notice po sila, ang agency, na meron silang magkakaroon po sila ng ganong encashment. So as to
2 days
date-
before?
Opo. So, yung pong December naman po kasi, pwede naman po nilang gawin yun on the same day. Kasi po, pag December, merong regulation naman po ang Bureau of Treasury. Kapag po December, hindi na po natin siya inihintay ang 24 hours or to 48 hours na ano po.
Yes, so
Na
but if
grace
you
period.
combine both, the huge amount, which is unusual, and the same day dated check
Transaction.
and the same day withdrawal, is that usual?
So, tingin ko naman po, usual naman po siya.
So the only thing unusual is that it is a huge amount, which you've never experienced in your
Yes, Your
30
Honor.
years.
Opo.
Okay. And so tinatawag sa'yo 2 days before kahit hindi pa handa yung cheque.
Hindi ko na lang po
Oh,
alam
kasi
sa
2
side
days-
nila. Opo.
2 days before, oh yeah. Pero posible, no, na 2 days before, December 18, 17, hindi pa nahahanda yung cheque, pero ihahanda nila, pininotify na kayo.
Opo.
Okay. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Judge Pangilinan. Senator Judge Ontiveros, for the final round, for your last 2 questions, I believe, or no more? No more? If there are no other interventions or interjections from the Senator Judges, the presiding officer would like to excuse you already. Ma'am Violeta Constantino.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your time. Salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon. Magandang umaga po. Mananghalian po muna kayo dyan bago kayo umuwi. Yes, Senator Judge Pangilinan.
Just a very quick manifestation because I'm receiving a few text messages
The
about,
gentleman may proceed.
thank you, about the non-disclosure by covered transactions. We just have to distinguish, para sa interest lang ng mga nagtatanong, ang covered institutions na hindi pwede mag-disclose ang mga bangko ng AMLA records. Pero ang AMLA mismo, hindi siya, at least the position of the impeachment court, is not covered by the confidentiality of records.
That was
that-
what the
so that
was what the
clarifies.
chair said earlier. That was
Yes.
contained in the ruling of the court.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Presiding.
Thank you. With the permission of the parties, it's 11:42, so that we can cut clean. We can pause for lunch and resume at 12:15 for a 30-minute lunch break. Ano?
Your Honor, before anything, just a quick manifestation, Your Honor. Your Honor, if I may be
Counsel
recognized.
for respondent is recognized.
Mukhang naiwan po yata ng witness natin itong certification. If I may just turn it over.
Yes. Kindly give it to the counsel to the panel of
Your
prosecutors.
Honor, may
and
we
to
know
the
what
witness.
is the content of the
Yes.
document? Thank you.
Based on popular request, 12:30 then. We resume at 12:30 for the next witness of the prosecution in the person of Ms. Nenita Camposano.
That's okay with us, Your Honor.
Counsel, from the panel of prosecutors, that's okay?
Yes, that's okay with us, Your Honor.